Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoom meetings with Zoom Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Zoom meetings, start by launching the Zoom application. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Zoom website. Once the application is open, sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. After signing in, you will see the Zoom home screen. Click on the Schedule button to create a new meeting. A scheduling window will pop up for you to enter meeting details. Choose a topic for your meeting in the topic field. Set the date and time for your meeting according to your preference. You can also adjust the meeting duration if needed. Select whether this meeting will be a recurring meeting. If it is recurring, check the recurring meeting box and set your recurrence options. Next, determine the time zone for your meeting. Scroll down to configure the meeting options. Here you can enable or disable features like video for the host and participants. You can also set a meeting password for added security. Additionally, choose whether participants can join before you. Next, look for the Meeting ID section. You can choose to generate automatically or use your personal meeting ID. Once you have set all your preferences, click on Save. You will then see an option to add the meeting to your calendar. Choose your preferred calendar and follow the prompts. To invite participants, click on Copy Invitation. This sends all the meeting details to your clipboard for easy sharing. Finally, share the meeting link or invitation with your participants via email or messaging. Your Zoom meeting is now configured and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.